Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can insert images on Gimp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Gimp. So the first thing that you need to do guys is to add an image. So I'm gonna add an image by going to the top left corner, click on file, and then search for open. You can either click on open from here or you can also click on Ctrl plus O on your keyboard. Once you do that, this menu will open up and then from here you can add the image that you want, select it and then click on OK, click on open and then click on keep. And as you can see guys, now the picture is added. So this is how you can add an image in a new tab on Gimp. If you want to add an image to the layer in this tab, go again to File, click here, and then instead of clicking on Open, click on Open as Layer. Once you click on Open as Layer, then again select which image that you want to add, select it, click on it, and then click on Open. And as you can see guys, now the image is added to the layer. So right now, we're going to adjust it a little bit to the center. And as you can see, guys, now the image is inserted. So if you click on Shift plus S on your keyboard, you're going to have this tool that will let you be able to move the image or to change the size of the image. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.